2016 Firework stash. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna go to the small stuff to the big stuff. I didn't spend too much this year, so let's get to it. So the smallest things we have are these. I'm trying to focus it. Smiling face, 7 shots. This was free. Performance is right there. Blue star with white glitter, small cherry or something. Alright, so then we got Atom Smasher, $14.99. The performance is right here. Alright, so 8 shots. Next one is Diamondback, 16 shots. Performance right here. 16 shots, lots of color in the item: gold tails, silver strobe, green strobe, red strobe, crackling flower. Alright, next is leftover bottle rockets. These are whistling ones. These are leftover, so they whistle and they pop. Next are mini artillery shells. There's like 6 of them, 20 bucks. These are all buy one get one free except for the XCal on the back. So 6 of them. No performance, I don't think. Yeah, no performance. That's how it tells you how to do it. So next, I got 2 of these. I got these last year. These are really good. 20 bucks, buy one get one free. 16 shots. I wish they had. Oh, they have a performance right here. Performance. Let's see if I can focus that. Jesus. Okay. 16 shots of silver, spinning tail, rising. Okay. Absolute Evil by Cutting Edge. Next is festival balls. There's 6 of them, but these are not balls like this. These are actually canister shells, like little small ones, like that. So, and this one's coming out. So, well, that's cheap. So I don't like buying this kind of small stuff. And last but not least, it's the Excalibur in the back. I got this a couple times. I really loved it. I think there's 24. Yep, 24. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I forgot the most important one. And these punks. I got 3 of them. Most important thing ever to light your fireworks. Long, and they're stable. Sometimes they smell, sometimes they don't. So it's whatever you get. These were $3. So, well, they were $3, but I took them, so it was free.